holiday and the weekend. So before the department meeting actually begins, I've been tasked to give you a briefing regarding the upcoming gala dinner. So as most of you would have already received notice, the school is actually conducting a gala dinner in light of the school's 10th anniversary of founding. So during the night itself, the gala dinner will be held in place both to celebrate the achievements of the school thus far and also to recognize the efforts of both students and teachers that have been contributed to the school over the past few years. So as with any event, there will of course be a need for an entertainment program. So each of the departments in the school has been tasked with the assignment of coming up with a performance for the night. So I'm sure most of you know that the deadline for a proposal to be put in for the performance that our department is in charge of is due this coming week. So I understand that most of you are very busy in the upcoming semester due to the O-level and N-level intense preparation. But let's just hear me out because I have a few suggestions to share. So firstly, I would like to propose that all of us put up a drama production for this upcoming gala dinner. So if you don't mind, let me brief you as to why I gave this suggestion. So most of the other departments in the school have already chosen to put up a dance performance. So not only to spice up the events program, I thought that it was only most appropriate for us, the English Literature department, to put up a drama production. So now you ask me, what can we actually include in this performance? I felt that the storyline can be based on the school's everyday life in the school. So we could possibly highlight various characteristic moments or even personalities in the school. So I shall just name a few examples. So perhaps we could highlight Mr. Keeshan's mastery of content in school. That's why students adore him. Or perhaps Mr. Harish's comedic antics in the class. Or maybe perhaps Mr. Eugene and Miss Min's always seemingly matching color coordination, giving rise to rumors that have been spread around the school regarding their relationship. So secondly, as the teacher in charge of the choir, I also suggest that this performance be made in the form of a musical. So in collaborating with the choir of the school, I actually think that we could actually reduce the amount of stage time that we have on the stage, hence reducing the effort and also the stress put on us to prepare for the performance. So I hope that this pitch has been successful in convincing all of you to adopt my idea. But I just have one last thing to say. Instead of viewing this as an added responsibility for us, I hope that all of us can actually take the time to bond and have fun through the preparation of this program. So in the rest of the meeting, I hope that you guys can give this suggestion a thought, and perhaps we could come to a consensus at the end of the day. Thank you.
Ms. Park, that was a very good speech, masterfully done. What I would like to ask is, how many rehearsals do you think we would need for this? Because a lot of us are busy, and it would take, for a musical, a lot of time to master such a feat.
Like I mentioned, I believe that because the storyline is actually based on everyday school life, I don't actually think that there will be very intense preparation for it. I can foresee that we will probably need only 2 rehearsals, and I will be most willing to host all of you at my place for rehearsals. I will provide high tea and cake. And I actually think that all of us are really capable of doing so because we have a lot of talents in here. And after all, we're the English and Literature department. Yeah, thank you.